How to upload videos to Vimeo in HD or 4K. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can upload videos to your Vimeo account in HD format or in 4K format. So in order to do this, ensure that the videos that you want to upload are already in an HD format. Alright, this is because Vimeo will not help you update your the quality of your video to HD or 4K. So ensure that the video is already in HD format. Once you have that ensured, go to the top part of the screen and click on the upload icon, or you can move to the top right corner and click on the new icon and then click on upload. Whichever one is fine. So after clicking on upload, you'll be taken to the page where you can continue the uploading process. So click on choose file. All right, and then you'll be redirected to your device files. Then move to the left side and then select the location where the video is located. So once you can find the video, the next step is for you to select the video and then click on open. And so after clicking on open, you wait for a while, the video will be uploaded, and then you'll be taken to the editing page. Okay, you take to the editing page where you see further details about the video. You'll see the title of the video, you'll see the description, you'll see the thumbnail, you'll see tags, you'll see categories, etc. And then the quality of the video, as long as it was in HD format, the quality of the video will also be in an HD format. So that's it. This is majorly how to go about it. This is how you can upload videos in HD or 4K format into your Vimeo account. Thank you for watching and have a good day.